everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐷𝐿.com. Got a nice interesting little Suzuki carry here. This one's got a nice lift up kit on it. Looks pretty cool with these bigger wheels, finished in silver, and you can see pretty clean and tidy in the body. The front bumper's been a bit modified to take these bigger wheels so it can turn, doesn't catch the bumper. You can see in there, got the lift up kit, body lift on it. I think this is a 3-inch lift kit. Good looking wheels, good tyres. In the bed here, it's all got a cover on it, but very clean underneath there, looks good. A bit of a dent on the back drop side there, but nothing too bad. Good flaps, battery cover, clean underneath as well, not rusty, that's good. This will make a cool little truck for hunting or using on farm, all kinds of different things. Let's have a quick look inside. See the seats in nice condition, bit of water on there, it's raining today but otherwise clean in here. Different steering wheel with a Nardi one. Start the engine up. Press the clutch in. Start the engine up. 31,000 Ks, about 18,000 miles, not much at all. Gear sticks in nice condition as you'd expect. There's the lever for 4-wheel drive. If I pull this up, puts it into 4-wheel drive, that light comes on. Now you're in 4-wheel drive, press the lever in again, pull it back once more, that's low range. So after that it's into low range. You can go up some pretty steep hills then. Air conditioning, heater, fully enclosed cabin as well. Very clean, I must say, as well. Even got some camping gadget there. So this one is going to be on its way to America very shortly. If you're interested in this vehicle or something like this, contact us at 𝐸𝐵𝐼𝐚𝐴.com. have a look on the website, there's a lot of information there. Or if you think you can sell these in America and you'd like to be a distributor for us, there's information about that as well on the website, 𝐸𝐵𝐼𝐚𝐴.com. take a look and see what you think. Thank you very much for watching this video.